V času moje delovne prakse na zdravstveni fakulteti sem na nevrološki kliniki kot delovni terapevt prišla v stik z mnogimi pacienti z multiplo sklerozo. Menim, da je to ena izmed najbolj grozljivih bolezni, saj ti pri zdravem umu in polnem zavedanju telo ugaša, peša. Izgubljaš sebe in pri tem si polno zaveden. Res grozljivka. Narediti ne morejo nič, zdravila za to ni. No, ko sem po koronskem času prvič obiskala kliniko Neomed na Cipru, sem tam srečala povsem drugačne paciente z multiplo sklerozo. Seveda, zavedali so se, kaj se dogaja, ampak bili so vendarle bolj polni upanja. Imeli so rezultate, imeli so strategijo, imeli so plan. Leta kasneje mi je uspelo, da sva sedli z njihovo strokovnjakinjo in spregovorili o diagnozi multipla skleroza in tudi možnostih, ki jih imajo ti pacienti na področju integrativne napredne medicine.
Well, as we see with conventional medicine has really helped humanity in the sense of, in an acute situation, like you break your leg, you have a heart attack, you get in a car accident. Modern medicine has really helped people to survive and thrive in their lives, right? Where it falls short is chronic disease. So things like obesity, MS, autoimmune disease, diabetes, all these things, which are technically can also be classified in part as a lifestyle disease. Okay, that's where conventional medicine falls short. And this is where I believe conventional medicine can benefit by having an integrative approach as well. So for example, like we have here at Neomed, if there's a doctor, to have a team around you so that your approach to things like MS becomes holistic. Okay, so like with MS, for example, there's a lot of research that shows that there's heavy metal toxicity associated with things like MS, specifically from things like mercury. Okay, so if someone has amalgam fillings in their teeth, this could be a driver of the progression of the disease. If you have a bad diet, this can also be a driver of the progression of the disease. So again, using the naturopathic or functional medicine approach, we look at all the root causes and individually try to improve someone's health with MS. So we can't give a cure, but we can give better quality of life through the therapies that we offer. For MS, what Neomed would do, again, we'd have a medical assessment with all the team. We'd look at the person as an individual, we'd look at their history, their background, their medical records, their lab work, and we typically see where the main or the priorities lie. So again, we approach it the same as any other disease, as Lyme disease, as chronic fatigue, as Hashimoto's. We're going to look for those root causes. And then when we've done our detective work and looked for root causes, we start to do a checklist. We need to do the liver, let's focus on the liver. We need a specific diet, let's focus on the diet, and so on and so forth.
Kar mi je najbolj všeč na kliniki na Cipru je to, da ne obljubljajo preveč, so še vseeno realni in vsakega posameznika tretirajo kot individuum. Zelo jasno ti že v prvem pogovoru preko interneta recimo nekje orišejo, kaj bi to zate pomenili, kakšne so opcije, na kakšen način. Pomagajo pa sicer tudi bolnikom z boreljo, Alzheimerjem in drugimi avtoimunskimi boleznimi, seveda tudi pri raku. Več informacij, tudi moje poročilo iz mojega regeneracijskega tedna tam najdete na klepetobkavi.si.